Alright, how's it going friends? Plan FOMO here, and in today's video, quick market update, what is going on with the Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we need to take a look at what levels we need to keep our eyes on. So I posted this on my Telegram and of course my Twitter, X. I told you guys that we have a tons of supply here. So I'm gonna call it a supply shock, this red candle. And if you remember my previous video, I told you that there is a probability for us to start bouncing back up because we have a lot of demand here. So for those who took that buy long position quickly, I mean, congratulations. For those who are trading on lower time frame with higher leverage, and for those who took this small short, of course, congratulations. Based on those Fibonacci supply zone, golden zone, we got rejected at around this mid-range. So I posted on my Telegram that we formed this descending channel pattern. For some of the people are saying that yeah, it's kind of bull flag, and I posted that I would laugh if this whole scenario is gonna play out after printing this sharp movement to the downside, breaking to the upside, and then starting retesting $108,000 Bitcoin price target once again. So but a lot of people were asking me, what if there's a possible scenario for us to start reaching and retesting $95,000? Technically, yes, when there's a bullish scenario, there's a bearish scenario. And the bearish scenario right now is there's a higher chance for us to see that bearish scenario because, I mean, playing out because, yeah, we were printing this descending trend, downtrend movement. And for the Bitcoin to go even higher, we need to break through this descending channel that acts as a resistance, technically as a resistance. So we have to break through that high. Then we're going to confirm that we're printing some kind of bullish trend, and then a movement and retest $105,000. That would be my short-term bullish scenario if we're going to see that breakout. So around like 2.5% movement to the upside, nothing crazy. But yeah, I wouldn't be like relying on this one, but still I would be laughing if this scenario is going to play out. That would like 100% gonna show me, Bitcoin is going to show me that it's super choppy and super volatile, because you cannot right now make your own rational decision based on the market structure. So yeah, again, supply shock. We have a lot of supply here, and then breaking through the supply and then start retesting $108,000 Bitcoin. But most likely there's a very high chance for us to see, yes, as you already that you asked me, some of the people were asking me about $95,000 Bitcoin. Once again, retesting those levels. Technically, it has a higher probability right now because we are in this bearish movement and this downtrend. And right now, to getting rejected once again, it is a very possible scenario. And based on this channel model, we could experience this sharp movement to the downside until we're gonna reach the bottom of this descending channel. And the bottom of this descending channel is beautifully connected with this, the most strongest demand we see on the 4-hour time frame. Look at those bullish impulsive candles to the upside. I mean, those bullish candles. We could expect that sharp movement to the downside, and it would be also a healthy situation. I mean, yeah, I'm posting a little bit of more bullish to give some people hopium, but I'm still always like saying secure gains or be cautious, because yeah, we are in some kind of small bear trend. But we need to keep an eye. I mean, I'm gonna remind you that we need to keep an eye on those levels, especially at 90, 91, 92K Bitcoin. I believe that this is our potential bottom for this, let's just say, bull rally. But if this whole demand won't hold us, we're gonna see some kind of, yeah, most definitely we're gonna see a bounce, because we have a lot of buy orders at this zone, and then another sharp movement to the downside. I don't want to see that. I don't believe that. But yeah, $95,000 Bitcoin is a very possible scenario based on this descending trend, based on this descending channel. It is very possible to see $95,000. But I'm gonna repeat myself, and I'm gonna remind you, on a long-term perspective, I'm bullish. Don't get me wrong. I'm bullish on the whole ecosystem, on the whole, let's just say, in the crypto world, I'm bullish. But looking on the short-term perspective, yes, looking on let's just say from a trading perspective, yes, a short sell scenario, it is a like a rational one based on the market structure. Lower highs, lower lows. We're printing this movement to the downside. I mean, this downtrend movement. So keep an eye on this level, keep an eye on this channel, keep an eye on those support our previous. Right now, technically, yeah, we are like just facing that support resistance potential one. We're gonna get rejected once again, and then our support mid-range work beautifully as a support. So keep an eye on those levels. So yeah, $95,000, it would be, yeah, it would make sense if we're gonna see that. So nothing crazy, and the movement to the downside would be by how much? Let's just say 95, like negative another negative 7-8%, and from the top would be negative 13, let's just say approximately 15%. So it is a very healthy pullback. It is a super healthy pullback, and I hope on a 6-hour time frame. Let me just take a quick look. I want to see that the Bitcoin is ranging between 108 and $90,000 price levels. I want to see ranging and printing this massive consolidation. Let's just say a bull flag. So that would be, and yeah, most definitely. And I mean, keep an eye on the $90,000. I mean, $90,000 would be technically at around here. This is where our potential, I mean, the most strongest demand, the strongest support here at this consolidation zone. So $90,000. I'm gonna make this more accurate, this whole horizontal channel. So yeah, keep an eye. This support has to hold us. If no, then we can start retesting those SME future gaps, and however you want to call it. Then we're gonna need to start looking for the potential support, an upcoming potential support, where we can bounce from what levels. But I believe that if we're gonna see that drop, or in general Bitcoin is gonna start moving to the downside, I'm gonna consolidate until we're gonna start reaching the bottom, $90,000. Gonna shift from the bearish into the bullish market structure, and then push the price to the upside. Well, this is a very realistic scenario, so this is just like educational guess, because look at the previous, movement to the downside, consolidation. I mean, not consolidation, but the short downtrend movement on the 5-hour time frame. Boom, clean breakout, movement to the upside. Of course, not that high, got rejected once again, but still once again, movement to the upside. So this is like a very realistic scenario based on this type of model. And yeah, keep your eyes on this sol model, on this sol pattern, however you want to call it. So let's just take a look and let's jump on Ethereum charts. I posted on my Twitter that 10 months ago, technically, 10 months ago, I posted and I made a video about ETH that looks extremely bullish. And it looked extremely bullish based on the market structure. And it was sitting at around 3.3K, $3,300. well, where we are right now, we're god damn it, we reached $3,000, equally like around $3,000. We're just like, come on guys, come on Ethereum, like just like get your shit together. We haven't even, I don't know, experiencing that massive pump in 10 months when a lot of course some of those altcoins and especially Bitcoin did. So yeah, I'm not gonna be turned from the from the bullish into the bearish person on ETH. I'm still believing in ETH, and I'm still believing on ETH, on everything what they're doing. So yeah, technically looking on the market structure, not on those fundamental analysis. Yeah, Ethereum formed some kind of, not based on this whole full chunk of the descending channel model, but yeah, it printed, I mean, lower high, descending, beautiful, respect to this descending trend line. Yeah, I posted that we can expect a bounce because we actually form on Ethereum a very interesting market structure. Well, let's just connect more dots. So right now, Ethereum is trying to consolidate. Let me just make this whole all the charts in the middle so you can see more. All good, all clear. So I believe right now that Ethereum is going to consolidate in this, let's just say, potential triangle pattern or symmetrical triangle pattern, but whatever. And if we're going to break the support, yeah, then our 2.8K whole scenario is going to play out. As we talk for, I don't know how long, for 1-2 months, I don't remember actually right now, but yeah, technically, based on this market structure, if we're gonna break the support, ascending support, we're gonna experience a clean breakdown, movement to the downside to our premium zone on the daily time frame, and then bouncing back up, and I'm expecting this type of movement. This is my educational guess. Love it or hate it, but this is just me. So yeah, that is pretty much it. We're analyzing everything based on the trading perspective. On the long-term perspective, yeah, I'm extremely bullish. I don't mind if the Ethereum is going to go below $3,000. Once again, I don't care if the Bitcoin is going to go to 95, even maybe $90,000 in the upcoming days or weeks or months. I don't care. I'm still bullish. As hard as we like to drop, the same and even harder, we are rising back up. And the price, markets tend to trend up. So that is pretty much it. So the quick market update, let's just take a look one more time on Bitcoin, what is going on. So yeah, Bitcoin, it has to have a lot of power in those candles to print some kind of bullishness, that bullish momentum on the 4-hour time frame. Of course, we are on the 6-hour time frame. So yeah, technically we're getting rejected. So we'll see how the market will react when the market's gonna open. So yeah, keep your eyes on those levels. We're consolidating ETH. Bitcoin right now is consolidating, squeezing in some kind of triangle, let's just say compressing. And yep, movement to the downside, it is a possible scenario, despite the fact that I posted something bullish. But I posted just a personal point of view that, yeah, in general, it's just like, I'm gonna laugh if this whole scenario is gonna play out. But not financial advice. Once again, I hope you watch this video till the end, and I want to keep you guys updated every single day by doing this video format technical analysis, not only on Telegram posting every single time. That, yeah, video formats are way more better for you to understand all of my thoughts, what is going on, where are the most important target points, all the touch points, all the demand zones, all the supply, demand, support, resistance. So yeah, keep an eye on those levels, and peace out. I'm going to see you in the next one.